Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Dyle from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head with a large circle. And then let's add a border inside in the same way. Now let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start with two large circles for the eyes. Then let's hop in and let's draw a line across each one. Then underneath, let's draw a curve down and back up. And color these both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down and let's draw a circle for the nose. And color it in black. And then underneath the nose, we're going to draw a curve down to the left for the mouth. Now before we draw the clock hands, let's draw the pattern on the head. Let's start at the top and let's draw two lines down. And then connect it with the curve at the bottom. Now let's do the same thing from the top corners. Let's draw two angles in on the left and on the right. And then a curve at the ends. Next, we're going to hop to the sides next to the eyes, and for these ones, let's draw two lines across on both sides. And now let's add two more on the bottom corners. Let's draw two angles up. And curves at the end. And that's it for the ticks on the clock. Now let's hop to the top and we're going to draw a curve on top of the left eye for the eyebrow. And then let's hop down and underneath the nose, let's draw an angle down on the left and a shorter one on the right for the clock hands. And let's thicken both of these lines up. Then at the ends, let's draw a thick V-shaped point. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop down and let's start drawing the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a long V-shaped point down. Now inside, let's draw the tie. Let's draw two angles down with a line across. And then two more angles down underneath. Now inside this bottom section, let's draw some stripes across. And that's it for the tie. Now let's hop out and let's draw the collar of the jacket. From the bottom, let's angle it up. And a small angle back in. Then on each side, let's bring it up and in like this. Now let's hop down and let's continue drawing the jacket. Let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then let's close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw another curve across. Now top underneath, and in the center, let's draw 2 curves down, leaving a gap in the middle. And then 2 more lines down from the sides. Now let's close off the bottom by angling it back in. And then in the center gap, let's draw a small line across. Next, we're going to hop back up and we're going to draw the arms. On the left side, let's draw a curve down and bring it back in. And then for the right arm, let's draw 2 angles down and out. And then bring them back up like this. Then let's close off the end of the sleeve. And let's add another line inside. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. On both sides, we're going to draw 2 curves, bringing it down and out. And a curve across the bottom of each leg. Now inside each leg, let's add 2 stripes down. And now at the bottom, let's draw the feet. Let's draw a curve down and back up underneath each leg. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's draw the chain. Let's start on top of the head and let's draw a rectangle shape up. Then from both sides, let's draw a curve down. And another one inside on both sides. Now we're going to draw the chain going down. Let's start on the left and let's draw a rectangle shape out and back in. Now let's leave a small gap and let's draw another rectangle, bringing it down, following the same curve as the head. And let's do the same thing underneath, curving it down. And let's work our way down with the same rectangle shapes. Now let's start to curve it in towards the body. And then one more next to the body here. Now in between each of the rectangles, let's draw 2 lines across. Now let's add the other pieces of the chain. Let's start on top in the center of one of the rectangles and we're going to draw a rectangle shape across and down. And let's do the same thing underneath. Now let's keep doing the same thing all the way down. We'll start inside a rectangle, bring it down, and again underneath. And let's work our way down. And that's it for the left side of the chain. Now let's continue it on the right side behind the body. On the right side of the body, let's draw a rectangle shape going up and back in. Then let's leave a small gap and let's draw another one next to the arm. And let's draw 2 lines in between. And now let's add the rectangle shape on top and on the bottom. Now let's continue the chain around the arm. Underneath the arm, let's draw a bent line and another bent line on top. Now from the top, let's draw a rectangle shape out and back in. And then another rectangle going down on an angle. Then next to this rectangle, let's draw a bent line up to the arm and another one on top. Now let's continue the chain by drawing 2 more rectangles going down. And again, 2 lines in between. Then let's add the side pieces again in the same way. Now lastly at the bottom, let's draw a circular curve down and back up. And let's do the same thing inside. And that's it for Dyle. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!